What's the meaning of charcoal gray? Charcoal gray. Charcoal gray.
Charcoal gray. Charcoal gray. Charcoal gray is a dark shade of gray that resembles the color of burned wood or charcoal. It is a cool and neutral color often used in fashion, interior design, and graphic design. Charcoal gray has a timeless and elegant quality that can add sophistication to any setting. It works well as a base color, complementing other hues and patterns and providing a subtle contrast. Charcoal gray can evoke feelings of maturity, stability, and seriousness while still maintaining a level of understated elegance. Overall, it is a versatile and stylish color choice.